I'm making another car vlog. That's what I'm gonna start calling them, car vlogs. Because that's when I have the most free time to just strip and swag. Oh, and excuse my nose. I got a freaking blister on it. I don't know how that happens. It's never happened to me before. And we're walking our dogs right now. Want to see him? There's Cookie. There's my blondie. Wait, that's not Cookie. That's Catherine. Sorry. This is Cookie right here. I'm walking him because he's kind of crazy. He likes to run, so he needs more control. And Catherine walks on his own because he's scared of anything, so he's not going to run away. My mom right there. Just got off of work right now. On my way back home. Finally. It's been a cool day though. Really busy at my job, so that's a change, I guess. It's always slow there. We're gonna go to Six Flags. They're having like a Christmas themed theme park thing. So yeah, it should be fun going with my family. Unfortunately, my boyfriend can't make it because he's working tonight, so he's really sad. I'm hungry. Can you get some more pizza for me, babe? Thank you.
What you doing?
What?
What you doing?
Like it? Give me a kiss. I love those kisses. She was laying on top of the heater right now. She loves being a little lazy girl. She loves being lazy. Go out, Mama. Go out. Go out. Take a bath. Let's go take a bath, girl. Let's go take a bath. Bath?
Bath. Need you hear me? I'm running.
What do you think my brain is made for? Is it just a container for the mind? This great gray matter